Claire. I'm here at Everhot cooking today some of my recipes. I'm 5 o'clock apron on Instagram and I'm using the new Lavender Everhot oven. First up, we're going to make this shortbread to celebrate the oven, a lavender shortbread no less. I've got 120 grams of butter into there. I've got 130 grams of sugar here. I'm only going to use half of it in with the butter. Do it by eye, it's fine. Okay, I've got some lovely lavender here. Just gonna break some of this into the butter. So we want the butter and the sugar to be really soft because we're going to use that to mix into the flours, much like you would pastry. So I've got some plain flour. And I've got some corn flour. The corn flour is going to make it like extra short as shortbread. Pinch of salt. And some lemon zest. We've got our corn flour, our plain flour, lavender, lemon, sugar, and softened butter. Then we're just going to basically do what you would if you were making pastry by hand. I think we're there too. I've got a tin here. You're just going to tip that into there, spread it out, and then firmly push it down into the tin, going right to the corners. Right, I've got my oven, my top oven on at 180. I'm going to cook this for about 15 to 18 minutes, but I'm going to check on it after 15. So this has been in the oven for about 20 minutes all up, after all. Right, just a very light golden brown to the top, as you can see. Right, with our remaining sugar that we kept back, you want that to go on while it's still hot. Good dusting. And why not some more lavender as well to get that flavour. Then while it's still hot, you've got to chop it into the slices and then leave it to cool completely in the tin before you even think about moving it. So, still hot. Give it a good shuffle to get that sugar evenly dispersed. And then just leave it like that to get completely cool before you think about moving it.